What is going on, you guys? My name is Alex, and I'm a 21-year-old trader attempting to master the futures market to potentially one day join the very few who make a living out of this. So if you're a person looking to get into these markets, or maybe you're already trading these markets, you are definitely in the right place, as everything that I show here is only realistic but truthful and honest. So here are my accounts from yesterday. The goal for today is to get this account here back above 50K, so we're pretty much $15 away from that, so relatively easy task for today. Here's my strategy for those of you guys who are interested in knowing exactly what I'm trading. The general guidelines here, the general rules. Pause the video if you like. Take the whole strategy if you like. That's not a problem with me. Here's an example of what I'm looking for in a live chart here. Again, relatively easy. So for those of you guys who like easy trades or easy setups, here's one good one for you guys. Alright, with that being said, I'm going to pause the video here and be back when the market decides to give us an opportunity. Hopefully it doesn't take too long like yesterday. But as of right now, things are looking pretty good. I'm looking for a new high right here, and then a potential 3 to 5 bar decline. That's it, you guys. I'll be back. Alright, pretty nice candle we're getting here. I'm going to take the long there, 8 contracts. Stop loss is right under this candle right here. So as every candle closes, I'm going to move up my stop loss gradually with the price here. That is if the candle is green and closes above the current price. Red candle here. There it is, our first loss for the day. So we're down 199, so 200 bucks. Not a good start for the first trade that we waited 2 hours for. So I'm going to pause here and be back when another opportunity emerges here. Real quick, upon analyzing what I just did right now, there was no previous rally. I was justifying this trade because of this small little rally right here, and then we got a new little rally. But this is not considered a rally right here. So definitely a 5 out of 10 trade right there. Definitely not a good trade at all. In fact, probably my worst trade from these past 2 days. I don't even want to begin with the first day, but definitely a bad trade here. So I'm going to wait for a real rally. A real rally would be something like this right here. So potential move below this rally right here, and then a pullback, and then that would be the ideal entry right there. But this was definitely a really bad trade that I did right there. So yeah, I might definitely have to be watching out, be more vigilant here, be more contextualize things a lot more here. So yeah, that's just for myself right there. Obviously, for some of you guys that are actually trading this strategy or something similar to this, you definitely do need to be looking out for actual valid trades here, not just trading a pure emotion. And this definitely was a forced trade simply because, well, I think it's because I waited definitely a really long time. I've been waiting for a trade here, and I just got impatient, not gonna lie, and I'm pretty hungry right now, so that could account for that too. But anyway, excuses back to back right there. So I gotta lock in now and wait for an opportunity to emerge, a real opportunity to emerge here. Alright, gonna grab a short here, 10 contracts. That was a pretty messy entrance, not gonna lie right there. I wanted to get in on this close of the candle, but alright. So as this candle closes, I'm going to bring down my stop loss to right above this candle here. So again, we got the inverted hammer candle right there. I'm genuinely trading sloppy right now, I'm not going to lie. But I definitely do want to get in a winning trade here. Alright, I'm going to bring down my stop loss now. The candle should close here in a couple of seconds now. Bringing down my stop loss. out there for what I believe was a $20 profit, so not the best trade, but definitely a risk minimizing trade right there. Alright, so I will pause it and wait for another opportunity to merge. I do have 15 minutes to trade here until I have to stop, so hopefully we do get another opportunity here. Gonna throw an order here to go long. Order submitted. 16 contracts in. Stop loss right under this previous candle right here. Let's see what happens now. There it is, another loss. 931. We're done for the day, down, let's just say 400 after commission. So 2 consecutive losers. This trade was probably the best trade that I've taken in the whole day here. Maybe the previous one too, just at the previous one I did anticipate the entry a little bit. So there it is, you guys, down 400. So alright, so I just finished recording my last video here. I'm analyzing my trades here, my trade history for today, and an opportunity is emerging. We're only 20 minutes after the market, after 9:30, which is when I'm supposed to stop trading. But if an opportunity emerges here, I will take this trade right here, just simply because I am coming from a pretty rough day right now, but I'm feeling a little bit better as the baby cries behind me. So potential opportunity coming in here. Hopefully this candle is a green candle though. Alright, we're getting that green candle here. Really requires some patience when you hear someone, a baby crying in the background though. Alright, in there, 13 contracts. I'm going to be trailing this stop right here as the price does come down, and each candle closes, I'm going to be closing it. I'm going to be putting the stop loss under that candle, or above that candle in this case. Alright, relatively good time here. I'm going to do a P from the previous trades, so hopefully this will be trade and I'm really green. Or at least right here. Green candle, best time to get. Alright, at this point I could bring down my stop loss confidently to right above this candle that's forming, so very good, very good. I don't want this green candle to continue moving up higher though. I can move. That's not the waste here. You just clean up pretty nicely though, so good. So you can see but nobody doesn't care. Nobody doesn't care what you want here, so as soon as it comes in, bring my stop loss for even here. Alright, breaking even now. Stop loss at break even. Some profits here, but ideally you would just let this thing run. But yeah, this candle is forming, not looking good at all. Not looking good at all. Again, I could lock in some profits here, but I'm going to give this thing a little bit of room here to move around. Alright, here's what I'm doing. I'm going to cancel this order. Order canceled. And I think I'm going to take on... Order submitted. I'm going to buy only 3 contracts here. Order filled. Alright, how much did we take off? Yeah, we take off 4 contracts, I think, right there. Order canceled. Just to take some profits out of the table here, because things are not looking too good. We're getting rejected pretty constantly there. So I don't even know how much I profited there, but alright, we're breaking down. I think I hit my target actually, but I didn't even have an order out, so gotta retry right there. I'm gonna close it there. That was a bit confusing, but that was a pretty big trade. I don't even know how much we profited actually. I believe we were down like 400, now we're down 72, so very, very good trade right there. Alright, so I'm probably gonna have to add this to the video, might as well since it's gonna be really short, so make sure to leave a like, you guys, comment and subscribe.